Qu'est-ce que vous croyez que vous allez dans votre chi, monsieur? Bon, allez, c'est parti. How could I spend my money on one last round of home liquor? Well, I had to bring my honey. It was a 2-pound steak for supper. The one thing I always end up doing is stop at the woods for a small and furry. Wait till night is coming for the cheapest meat in the county. Boston's good for you. It's good. Boston's good for you. It sure don't taste like chicken, but by God it will do. That's a fan first. Syrup kid on the roadside. Take my shovel in the back of the truck. Scrape it off in no time. In case that meat doesn't work out, let's see out there what's trying to hide. Make it freeze with my headlight. Penguin that critter in the moonshine. Boston's good for you. Boston's good for you. It sure don't taste like chicken, but by God it will do. To the devil's dance in return for this big fat possum, then I'd leave her good capable hands. And I'd say, honey, stop saying I'm not able. Get the taters, get the gravy. Gonna put fresh meat on the table. Boston's good for you. Boston's good for you. It sure don't taste like chicken, but by God it will do. Sure don't taste like chicken, but by God it will do. Boston's good for you. Boston's good for you.